welcome you all guys back. So this is a subject about embedded and real-time system. Is it right? Okay. And now in this one, the first topic I'm going to take it about the model train controller. Okay. So we're seeing more commercial trains available in our towns, in our cities, in our districts, in our states, everywhere. The train in our country. But more trains have in the form of a diesel engine, and some trains have electrical. Likewise, more things will be available. Some trains will be controlled by a driver, and some more trains may be automatic. We have more different type of trains, but we got to take about some embedded things. That means for which controls different type of trains called it's a bullet train. Okay. So bullet train, where are we gonna go? I mean, so we might have seen this bullet trains in Japan and some other countries like China, where the bullet trains are mostly used common, because these bullet trains will be common for getting a more speed. Okay. Now listen here. So how the bullet trains will be working means, this is a train. If you just check out the train, what I have, the train will be moving. The train will be running over the rails. Okay. The interconnected rails. Okay, the rails may be of any type of material called steel or iron or anything. Okay, but it's not steel, it's iron. Okay. Now look at here. So the train, usually in our countries, in our cities, we have the electric supply running over the head of the train, and then the train touches the electric line, and then with the help of the electric supply, the train may move forward and backward. Is it right? And here also same condition. But sometimes, if the information is want to share, means the train rails will get a power supply. It may be having the electric supply that which require for making the train to get a movement with respect to forward and backward direction. Okay. And this is about a console. Console represents a control unit of a train. Okay, I just make it up in the side, and we're going to see about this romantic. Look at here. Okay. And a UML, which represents a uniform model language. Okay, that is specifically designed for the action of trains, maybe for a bullet train. We got some language called programming, and then some C++. We got more things that way. Likewise, for the trains, they have a uniform model language. Okay, that's called UML. What it does means, it sends a message to the train. Okay, it is written very clearly, and about just tell about the control speed level or whatever information. Suppose if a user from a compartment inside the train, if they send a message to a train driver, means what it will send immediately. That is called what UML. That's the language inside the train. Okay, it's a bullet train. So it is a made with a control box attached to the track. So through the track only, it is just sending the message to the train. Okay, so the track represents is a bus. Bus means it's not like a vehicle bus. The bus means the electric supply line. It may be electron supply, it may be information supply, or any supply. That's the main point. Okay, so I got two rails, and there you can find the electric supply available. Also, the train have the more analog electronics. Analog electronics means it may be of all resistor, electrical. That means capacitors and more things available. You can have diodes. So you can have more and you can have a more MOSFET, and more devices are available. That is called about analog electronics. So these analog electronics will be attached to the train. And another case, train is having those analog electronics, and this will be mainly for this one. So this will have some more sensors about the speed of a train and how to control the speed and have the inertia and more things are available. Is it right? So that is the main thing. And look at here. And these analog electronics also have the packets. So the packets means what? It may have some information. That means the packet have header. The header file will be available. So we got to see about a packet while transmission of data from one mobile terminal or from one node to another node. So the packet have an IP address. That means what's the address, and then a header means what's the packet name. So likewise, for example, if I say inside a train, if I say I need a cup of coffee, means so automatically I need a cup of coffee, the statement will be packed inside a small packet, and it will be given a name. Name means what? It's my compartment name, and it's my seat name, and it's my name also will be included in the name, and it will be moving from my level to my destination. I may just call into some other pantry van of a train. Pantry means what? Where the cooking, all the things are available. Okay, sometimes if I just to make my transformation of information to some other upcoming station also, no problem. So these packets having some my own information, I may request whatever my request thing, it will be available into the packet. Okay, the packet have IP address, and the packet have all things about this control. And this packet, sometimes if it have error means, and this will be having the ECC. ECC represents error correction code. So if I just have some error means, so automatically the errors will be deleted. So no problem about my having the transmission error. Now look about the frame format of this package. The first one I said about the header. Header means what? It just tell about the name of the package. But afterwards, address. Address means where the packet comes from and where the packet has to go. That means about the source and destination address. And afterwards, command. What are the commands inside the package? What are the information? What I requesting? Suppose if I just having command of please bring me a cup of coffee means it's a command. I'm commanding some person to do something for me. And afterwards, error correction code. So this is about the elimination of error. So these all will be attached to the track. So when this complete thing is going to track, and it will be in the transmission in between. So I can just contact even the engine also, or sometimes I can contact the interconnected compartment also. Suppose if I want to contact my friend who is in a seventh compartment, and I'm in a second compartment, so I can have this type of ending information sense, so that it will just pass my information to the rails, and from there it is going to the seventh compartment and where my friend's available, and he got my information and he may just respond me in a simple way. Okay, so this is about this one. Here the cancellation represents about the controlling of all things. It's not over, some more things I have to just tell. So just a simple part is over. Thank you.